I'm doing do conflict right now, you know.
Do polyflecker?
Do conflict. Do conflict is when women be rocking all the head wraps, you know, the turbans. I just call it a turban.
Turban, ok. Olha só essa deusa maravilhosa ensinando a fazer um turbante diretamente aqui do Maboneng. Um turbante com os dreads lindos, maravilhosos dela. Uau! Eu nem vou mostrar o espelho que é o carro. Olha esse rosto, gente. Olha essa mulher que linda, que maravilhosa. Uau! My goodness. Uau! Pretty woman. Wonderful.
Yes, give thanks. This is the African style, one of the African look, and then the Duke is from the ANC. As you can see the colors, I'm wearing green today, so I'm representing a different theme, a different political party, a different movement. But actually, I'm not a politician or anything like that. I just celebrate African culture and love expressing myself beautifully.
Cool. Wow.